Grand Krust, the wild taste. Today we are going to make puff pastry with seafood, ideal to serve as a second course at special occasions. To cook this puff pastry with seafood for 4 people, we will need the following Grand Krust products. 1 box of Argentinian red shrimp, 400 grams, 1 cooked lobster with Provencal herb sauce, 335 grams, limited edition, and 1 bag of PUD, peeled undeveined, red shrimp, 200 grams. In addition, we will need 1 onion, 3 ripe tomatoes, 1 green pepper, 2 boiled eggs, 1 raw egg, 1 sheet of puff pastry, salt, sugar, olive oil, and 1 clove of garlic. To begin, cut the tomatoes in a cross-shaped form and put them in a pot with boiling water for a few seconds. When the cut area starts to open, cool them, peel them, remove the seeds, cut them into cubes, and put them aside. Then, sauté the chopped onion in a pan with a dash of olive oil. When the onion begins to get golden, add the minced garlic and green pepper and fry for a couple of minutes. After this, add the tomatoes with a pinch of sugar and salt. We continue cooking all together for 10 minutes over medium heat. While the sauce is cooking, peel the lobster and shrimp. After 10 minutes, add the chopped shrimp and lobster to the sauce and cook everything for a couple of minutes. Then, add the chopped egg and set it aside. It's time for the pastry sheet. We put it on a table, distribute the filling on one half, fold, and cover with the other half. Next, close the edges of the pastry with a fork, put it on a baking sheet, and brush with a beaten egg. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Put the pastry inside and cook for 15 minutes. After this, our puff pastry with seafood is ready to serve. As a trick, to cut any dish with puff pastry, we must use a sharp knife and slide it without pressure. This will prevent the pastry from breaking. Bon appetit!